many smokers nowadays?
Yes, you know, I have a neighbor. He smokes so many cigarettes per day. Really. You know, even he have lung disease.
Oh, good.
I have my security guard of layout. He smokes at least 10 cigarettes a day. One like this, one like this. Very irritable.
When I go to take fresh air in my balcony, back of my house there is a shop where many people smoke. I think there is no oxygen in atmosphere.
You know, our school's gardener, oh my
Yeah.
god,
Yeah.
smokes too much.
This is becoming too much, you know. We must do something for this.
Yeah.
Like, what we will do?
For this, we should keep a topic, no?
Initiative, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for it.
Like, what will keep the topic?
You're smoking.
We are choking.
Yes.
You're
smoking,
but
we are choking. So we'll come up with this, right?
Yes.
So this is our team. Come on. Yes? We'll do it. So what are we gonna do now?
I think interview.
Yes. We will take an interview.
And after the interview, we can just ask their opinion. We can just say them to reduce their smoking for 7 days and ask their positive effect on their life.
Yeah. And we can also ask them to sign for the declaration.
Declaration.
Like we can do this, yes. Like, but who is gonna do the questionnaire?
I am expert in that. I'll prepare the
Then
Okay,
we
then.
will do it. Come. So what sort of questions will keep it on?
As it is smoking, we will ask them how is your health?
Yeah. How is your health?
I like after health, you can even ask them that do they have any problem in their health? If it is, then is it because of smoking or some other reason?
And we can write that their family also smokes or not.
Yeah,
we can do this.
Then we can ask for a cigarette. Then
Yeah.
we can see
Yeah.
how is their
Yeah, how is
reaction.
the reaction and all right? So our questionnaire is ready.
Yes.
So we'll bring it into action, right?
Yes.
We'll do it.
Guys, I think this is not enough
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
creating an awareness among smoking.
This is not enough. So
We
what
must try
else we can do?
something else.
Seminar?
Yes,
Yeah, seminar is a good thing. So we can get some expert and all, you know, we can do
we
it.
can do it.
We will take the help of our principal. She is itself a Rotarian. So we can do with it, right?
Yeah.
Other than this, we can share our thoughts and everything in the social media.
Yeah.
Social media.
Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter.
Social medias, we'll do a page in that and we'll create awareness.
Yeah.
Do with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did so many things. We took the seminar, we did the interview, we shared the, distributed the questionnaire with our friends and all.
Yeah.
So we must see what is the impact.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Impact is very important.
We will go interviews. We will take the interviewer's opinion. We will go back after 7 days again. We will ask the positive effect on them. What and all changes came in their lives. Everything.
How
How
we,
our project have great impact on their life.
yeah,
We
like
must
how
know it.
betterly they
Yeah.
led the life,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So we'll do it.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗು some boys doing that. I have seen some boys doing that. Please, whoever it is, avoid it. Now this is another thing. English mother tongue, we speak English, you know. Why? Brain slows the CNS, the decision making is badly affected. When you drink, what happens? ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಏನು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, right? Heart rate and blood pressure increases and you get heart disease. Kidneys get spoiled and they get dehydrated, you will pass a lot of urine. Liver changes alcohol to water, CO2 and energy. Drinking faster intoxicates. Blood vessels, alcohol causes blood vessels to widen, increasing blood flow and aids in intoxication. This is only because of all this effect.
Can I get one cigarette to smoke?
No, it is harmful for health. Why you need that?
Why do you smoke then?
I didn't smoke.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can I get one cigarette?
Why? Why
Because
do I have need of cigarette?
You're saying what can I do with cigarette? You're smoking now, sir. Isn't it harmful for your health?
Yeah, it is harmful.
Then why do you smoke, sir?
So what reason I can say behind the smoking? So we are not getting any benefit from the smoking. Even this is an habit. We are habituated with that. That's why we are taking it.
Can you tell me some positive effect of smoking?
There is no much more positive effect, but as far as my knowledge is concerned, smoking is also sometimes good. Why? Because sometimes if you are in trouble or in tension, then sometimes it is giving us relaxation.
Do you know if you smoke 10 cigarettes a day, your family smokes at least 1 cigarette without actually smoking?
Yeah, I know it, but in front of my family members, I am not taking all those things, and I am taking outside only whenever.
But
it is-
outside also your surrounding will do not, sir.
Yeah, I know it, but everywhere I have to be in the among the human beings only, in between the human beings only. So anywhere I have to take, and where I should go. Suppose if it is needed to us, then what can I do in this situation?
Do you care your society, sir?
What type of care you are looking for?
Means you will care for your society, sir.
Yeah, because I am living in society, so I am caring for society as much as possible.
Can you do a favor for me, sir?
Yes, what do you want?
Can you quit or reduce your smoking for minimum extents of 7 days?
Yeah, I'll try to reduce it, but completely we can't quit it now. So I'll try to reduce it.
Then can you sign this declaration?
Why not? Even I want to live completely,